Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cameron and today is inspection day, but I'm only going to inspect certain hives. I'm going to inspect number 2. If you watched the last video, you'll know that I gave these guys some brood to make a queen because they're queenless, and rookie mistake, I gave them drone brood and not worker brood. So I went in last week and I've given them some worker brood, and I'm hoping I'm going to see that they have created a queen cell. So I'm not interested in looking at anything other than that, but I am interested in honey if it's ready. I don't think that's ready. Let me take a quick look. All capped on that side and nothing on that side. Yeah, they're not doing much with the honey at all. We might be in a dearth. But anyway, let's check that. They're too heavy to pick up at both sides. Probably weighed 100 pounds combined, them two now. My days of lifting 100 pounds have been over many moons ago. Hello ladies, how are you? So this honey might be ready. Let's take a look. And again, as soon as I'm down here, I can hear that anxious noise of we're not calm. We're a little bit anxious. Great song by the House Martins, Anxious. Google it. House Martins, Anxious. Great song. Not much going on. Weird colony, this one. It is. Well, I guess they've been queenless for a long time. I guess that's why they're weird. They've been queenless for a long time. All right. Ladies. I'm going to put you on the floor. Oh. So, it is that one. They've still got plenty of bees, though. Plenty of summer bees. They have. So, I'm only interested in one frame, and that's the frame of brood. Still got plenty of bees in this hive. No queen, but still got plenty of bees. So sorry, I was saying, yeah, the only frame I'm interested in is the frame of worker brood that I gave them, and hopefully they've taken it and created themselves a queen. And let's take a look. What that was. I'm shocking my finger. So the answer is, come and look at this queen cup for me, please. See if you can see anything in it. This one here. Can you see anything in there?
In there?
Other one.
Where?
This one.
Yes, if there's something white. Inside.
White? Is it royal jelly?
I don't know what royal jelly looks like.
Just like white stuff. There's no shape to it. When you see
look at it again?
When you see a larvae, the larvae is going to be curved around.
Yes, there's a larvae in there.
There is a larvae in there, and there's the white stuff on top of the larvae, because that's royal jelly.
Possibly.
Okay. So it looks like they've created, let me get near the camera. Looks like they've created 2 queen cups, which are here and here. And Julie's eyesight says that there's larvae and royal jelly in one of them, although it's not capped yet. Oh, I see the larvae. There's no royal jelly in there, that's just a larvae. However, they are building that out to be a queen cup. And they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8, about 20, 25 more larvae. So this is good question. This is the worker brood that I gave them last inspection. And this is my rookie mistake. This is drone brood. Yeah. So all they did was start creating a ton of drones.
Okay.
You know?
So they're going to need a queen?
Well, they don't need all these drones, but they're going through the motions of being bees. They had cells and babies that needed feeding. They just started feeding them, but it's all drone. I'm surprised they're continuing. They would usually just destroy it, because drones are no good apart from to mate with a queen, and they don't have a queen. But they've got 2 queen cups on the go. So I'll give them another week, and if I can't find a swarm cell in that time, I may well have to purchase a queen, because these ladies don't deserve to die off because of me being a rookie, you know. But anyway, they've got 2 queen cells, so we'll see what they do with them. Oh, that's really heavy. That's so heavy. There might actually be honey in there. I'm going to take a look. There may be honey in here.
Tell them about the honey, mommy.
Excuse me?
You haven't looked in there yet?
I looked at that one, but I've just noticed it's way heavier now than what it was last inspection. So I'm going to take a look, see if we've got any honey we can harvest. Nearly full, not on the other side. Oh, that's very heavy. That's probably full. Yeah, we can harvest that. Yep. So I'm going to need, baby, how many? Oh, we've got some there, haven't we? I'm going to need some of them frames over here. We'll do it like we did last time. I'll take one, pass it to you, and so on and so on. So we've got some, yep, got some frames in there that are 90% capped. So I'm going to take them. Where's my brush? My brush is over there, baby. My brush. So I've been waiting and waiting and waiting on these girls. They're honey bound without a queen. But I wanted to wait until they were 90% capped. Sorry, 95% capped before I did anything with them. Because I want the honey to be as pure as possible. And how you achieve that is, I know ladies, I'm annoying as hell. How you achieve that is leaving it in the hive until they've got it capped. A lot of beekeepers, certainly commercial beekeepers, will take it when it's nowhere near capped and then just pasteurize the honey. Completely capped on that side and nothing on that side. I'm going to take it and I'll just put it through the extractor on one side and bring it back to them. They can have that honey. All right, ladies, you're doing well. You're doing well putting up with me. You are. So this is going to be a much darker honey because I've noticed it's a much darker in the comb. That one's one of the light ones still. That'll be in. When I do my brush, this will be interesting. I'll probably do that one separately. And like I said before, ladies and gentlemen, this brush is extremely gentle on the bees. It doesn't hurt them at all. Doing a great job, ladies. You are. It's only 50%. I'm not taking it at 50%. That's just silliness. Yep, that one's going. Excuse me, ladies. Annoying Englishman. Nothing to see. Nothing to see here. Just the annoying guy. No, I didn't take that one either. All right, ladies, you did very well tolerating me today. Say again? How many have we got out? Well, I need 4 then. 2 more. Thank you. So we got a little bit of honey today. That's it's always a positive when we can harvest some honey out of the hives. It puts into perspective all the hard work that the bees do for us, and we help them by being good stewards because the honey is fabulous. All right, ladies, you've got some nice new comb there that you can start working with. Spoil you rotten, don't I? That's light as anything. Just starting on that one. I knew as soon as I lifted it that it was a lot heavier than what it was last week. One of the good things about doing your inspections is you get to learn your hives and your bees. Okay, so I am going to go into number 4. Number 4, if you watched our previous video, you'll know that I very accidentally killed the queen in here. Went in on an inspection, they'd created 5 queen cells, and I'm yay! And this is all part of becoming a beekeeper and learning. They created 5 queen cells, and the hive said, whoa, we've got 5 queen cells, we need to swarm. So as the queens hatched, one of them swarmed and took 70% of the bees with her, and I guess one of them stayed in here. I'm not going to go in today. Based on the fact that they swarmed, I know they've got a queen, but I am going to check number 4. Number 5's doing great. That's the overwintered queen. She's always doing great. Sorry, ladies, I'm banging on your roof, aren't I? But number 4 has always been a little sparse on everything. You know, there's been no sort of explosion of life yet, and I would have expected there to have been. So let's take a look and see what is going on with these young ladies. Hello, ladies. Well, they're collecting honey is what they're doing. And they've got some capped off worker brood up here. They've got a queen. There, they've got capped off worker drone up in the super. Oh, and there, look at there, we've got
The queen cell?
the queen cell.
Did you take it off?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this out for now. And if I find, I'm going to go down into the brood chamber. If I find eggs and larvae, it means they've got a queen. And if they have, I'm going to steal that queen cell and put it in there. But I need to go down and have a look first. Let me mark it. I'm going to put it back in so I can lift this off to go down below. But it'd be nice if I can find, like I said, if I find eggs and larvae in the brood chamber, I'm going to put that into number 2. Into number 1, and then I know they've got a queen. Hello, ladies. I always forget about my smoker. We got anything we can put in it? Some pine straw, something like that.
Yeah, that's not good.
Pause. So, like I said, I'm going to check in the bottom here for some eggs and larvae. If I find eggs and larvae, I'm going to steal that. I'll use the term borrow. I'm going to borrow that capped off queen cell and put it into put it into number 2, and then I know 100% that they do have. There's another one there, look. There's another queen cell capped off. And another one there. Is there anything in there?
I don't see anything.
No, there's nothing in there. Oops, sorry ladies. Standing on your stuff. So, wow, I don't know what you gave me to put in the smoker, but it smells. So we've got no brood down here.
Why aren't they doing anything in the bottom?
These guys are in bad shape. They're not they've got debris on the bottom that they're not getting rid of. They've got anything in them? Can you see if there's anything in these cells? Oh, that's better. I'm in the light now.
Honey.
Yeah. I haven't seen the bottom of a hive look so dirty as what this one does right now. What the hell that is? Something dying. Oh, you know what? That's not maggots. That's wax moths. That's why these guys are in trouble. Alright, let's take some out and we'll clean off some of this mess off that bottom. No. So hey guys, at this point in the calamity, I had stopped the video and I took care of cleaning out all the bottom board, which all the edges of the bottom board were infested with wax moth larvae. Took care of that, and in the meantime my microphone battery ran out, and that's why there's no sound audio right now. But one of the main things I want to take away from this last part of this video is the importance of inspections and the importance of paying attention to your bees. As soon as I went into that brood chamber on number 4 and saw the debris, what seemed to be debris on the bottom board, I knew there was something amiss, and that's why I investigated further, and it came about that they were infested with wax moth larvae. Now, in a colony this small, that could be very detrimental and end the colony. So once again, very important to do your weekly inspections. This is how we become good steward to the bees, and that's what we're going to take away from here. Right now I'm putting my thumbs up, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks guys.